everyone, my name is Kristy Hamson. I have been doing affiliate marketing for about 6 months now. I wanted to come on and share my story because I know that it's not always comfortable for anybody to get on camera or, start an online business and really put themselves out there. So I was never comfortable with this from the get-go. This is actually quite the opposite of anything that I ever used to do. So when I had my first kid, I got really bad anxiety and depression, postpartum depression. Things were just bad. With the changes that go on after you have a kid, I didn't want anybody to see me. I stayed home all the time. I wanted to stay locked in my safe bubble at home, and that was about it. So after I had my second kid, I knew that had to change. I knew I didn't want to be living like this anymore. I didn't want to feel this way anymore. And I knew that I knew that I wanted to work from home as well, because I wanted a job. I wanted to have something else to do to get myself out of my bubble. But I knew at the same time I wanted to be able to do it from home because I didn't want to miss anything with my kids. So I looked into different online things. First I started doing lash extensions at home, and it just wasn't enough for me. Then I looked into building funnel design, and that was okay, but I knew I wanted more. I wanted to make an impact for people, make them feel better about themselves, make them get out of their comfort zone, help them grow, because that's exactly what I was after for myself. So to be able to help others do the same is something that I really, really wanted to do. So the funnel building didn't work out, and I ended up coming across Joelle. And I wasn't sure if I really, really wanted to push myself to do it, because of course all those ideas come in the back of your head, I can't do that. I can't put myself out there. I can't succeed at something like that. But I kind of knew that I just had to take a leap and just go with it. So I actually did it, and it honestly has been the best decision I've ever made in my entire life. Just having Joelle help me with everything throughout this whole journey has been amazing. He's seriously my own hype crew. If I'm ever feeling down and out about something, or questioning myself, second guessing myself, he's there to kick me in the butt and to remind me who I am, what I'm doing, and that I've totally got this. So it's been amazing. I wouldn't be where I am, or I wouldn't still be doing affiliate marketing if it wasn't for Joelle's help on this journey. So if I have any questions or anything, I'll message Joelle and I will hear back right away, and I'll get above and beyond the answer I'm looking for. He will literally answer everything I wanted to know plus some, and it's just been amazing. So if you ever need to do anything with online business, or you're looking to start an online business or something you're really unsure about, you really need a mentor, because they really help you in the direction that you're going. They help you know what you need to do. They help you, remind you of what you're capable of doing and how to go about doing it. And that's Joelle in a nutshell. He's so helpful. Like I said, he's your own hype crew, and he's just so awesome at what he does. So I fully trust him. Like I said, I wouldn't be where I am, or I wouldn't be still affiliate marketing if it wasn't for him. So yeah, Joelle is the bomb, the man, and I trust him with my whole life. So if anybody's looking for a mentor or coaching or anything like that, I would 100%, a million times over, recommend Joelle. Thanks for listening to my story, and I hope you all have a good day.